What makes a global language? More than one country speaks it, it is recognized in almost all countries.
Explain why English has become a global language. Because England has had so much power over and across the world, England places colonies in Africa, America, Australia, etc., and thereby spreading the language. English speaking countries have also had a lot of political power and military. Many scientists were also English speakers, and so the language spread through the science world as well.
What has language got to do with power? The more people speak the language, the more power it has, and the easier it is to make more people speak it as well. If you can't communicate, you can't work together, and therefore you have no power.
According to David Crystal, English should be taught as a global language. Why? It should be taught as a global language because it is important to know other kinds of dialects. When you travel, you can meet a lot of different people who speaks English in a lot of different ways. And it is also important to be aware what kind of English you are speaking, so you constantly speak with the same kind of dialect. Explain the difference between language production and comprehension. Language production is what you produce. It is what you speak and how your own dialect is.
Comprehension is what you hear and what you understand. It is the dialect and the English you hear. Different dialects can be difficult to understand, and that is why comprehension has such a big role when it comes to global English. Where is English given priority in the country's foreign language teaching? In a lot of countries, English is the second language the students hear in school, learn in school. This is because if you travel a lot and spend a lot of time in other countries, English is the language that almost every people in the world will understand.